Hello, welcome to our presentation on faster, easier and more convenient grading for correspondence courses presented by myself. And the entire onus of this presentation is to help cut the paper evaluation time and the results time. So we are in a collaboration with Gradians.com. So Gradians.com was founded in November 2012 for making education effective through the use of technology. And both Abhinav and Akshay are actually MBS and MS from United States, primary institutes in the United States, and have done their engineering from Delhi Government Engineering. So what is the value proposition? We are looking to eliminate the serial grading of papers and the courier cost and the courier time for delivery of the teacher output. We are looking to reduce the grading, tabulation and the results time, the errors due during the checking, the receipt time for getting the responses, because this is a critical bottleneck, the cost for grading and tabulation, and we are compressing the reporting data size for ease and quickness of analysis. This should help raise the student interaction and a documentation of results. For this, we have created a grading platform, a workflow for quality management. You can do an assessment of an answer from a student by multiple checkers, a web-based reporting for mobile access for ease of access, mobile apps for faster results delivery, mobile apps for faster student delivery output, data compression SQL reduction for faster data analysis, and then they have also devised a standard algorithm for standardized grading. So what is the locus sona of the solution? So what the client will get is lower grading time, the faster receipt of the assignment results, easy to use mobile applications for transferring the grading output and grading results, and there will be a better response time and dashboards for in-depth readings. So the speed of grading, ease of use and convenience, these are the four factors, and the speed of grading through the use is going to be through the parallel grading execution, and then you deliver the results through the mobile or web application. The ease of use is that yes, you need to use only the email or the web application. It's a plug and play solution. It is very easy to configure and choose questions. Questions can be added easily, and there are very little additional supplements required. So the grading process flow, we have actually divided it into 5 different times. Teaching material delivery time, the setup time, the queue time, the process time, and the wait time. So the teaching material delivery time is when the correspondence firm sends the teaching material to the students. The student reads the assignment and then sends the papers down to the correspondence firm. So that is the setup time. Then the correspondence firm, there's a certain queue time which is involved. That means the responses are going to be checked by various checkers. So there's a certain lag time regarding that. When the checker is actually checking the answers, then that is the process time. And the wait time is when the results are in a batches and they're about to be sent back to the students. So the process time is the critical activity. So for all the other activity, the student is actually not paying the coaching center. And the time spent by the assignment in these particular times is actually wasted time. And is actually the wasted time which is not generating money for the firm. So the student pays for the process time only, and the time spent by the papers and other activities is blocking working capital. Now this is how do we minimize the queue time and the process time. So basically we have the papers which are the inputs. This is the processing of the answer sheets. These are the various questions. So each question will be assigned a particular checker. So there will be actually parallel processing of the answers, right? And then automatically there will be a result consolidation module over this, and accordingly there will be a workflow module. So with this, actually we are looking to minimize the queue time and the process time, right? So these two are going to be minimized to that. Now minimize the wait time and the queue time. Basically, we're using the mobile apps. So the result delivery is through mobile apps, and the assignment submission is through mobile apps. So the entire purpose is to eliminate the courier. So reduce the courier workload for the result submission and the answer submission. Then the students have the option to submit the assignment on a piecemeal basis. So they can submit the answers to the question on a question by question basis. And you reduce the batch size of submission. So instead of you getting one whole lot, you can actually get the answer question by question. So students should not have to answer the answer lot at one go. This is a business case study. The client actually reduced the queue time and the processing time by 30%. The client was able to offer lower turnaround time for paper grading. That offers more courses per student, more number of students could be reached, and higher gross profit. So this is what the grading platform is. It's an intelligent job allocation system, and this is again how it works. So electronically, so the whole process is electronic. It uses the mobile applications. We eliminate the courier times. We eliminate the courier costs, and we basically eliminate the courier costs which are involved in the grading. So this is in a nutshell how the grading takes place online. This is a sort of a brief overview of the graphs and dashboards which are available online, but the client can actually do it on his own. And for reporting, we understand that the clients would like to actually make their own assessment. So in a nutshell, what we are trying to do here is we are going to compress your data, and we're going to reduce the SQL, so that using your MS Access and MS Excel, you should be able to make your own graphs and dashboards. So this is how we believe it's going to be. We have the various design structures, so you don't have to do it. So normally how we do it is, this is from another product. We reduce the SQL, which is large SQL like this, from this is on the screen down to this. So basically, with the compression of data and with reduced SQL, the RAM of the machine is able to process a lot more information, and then you can analyze this large amount of data. With this, we thank you, and these are the people whom you can get in touch with. Thank you very much.